Hello everyone, welcome to the Stock Market Morning Prep video for Monday, February 23rd. Last week of the month, we should get some mutual fund inflows coming in and hopefully push this market out of this range. You can see here on the 10-minute chart, by the way, this will be another quick video. There is absolutely nothing going on. Volatility has collapsed. Markets are not moving in the intraday basis. At the end of the day, they kind of tick them up to the upside and make new highs. So the daily charts look fantastic. But intraday, it's just doing nothing. I mean, we broke down here a little bit, ever so slightly. One big candle up, sideways all afternoon, and then we started to move higher, sideways yet again, and then one big push into the close. So you can see this is just terrible, terrible price action. Now, I'm hoping that if we do get some mutual fund inflows, we could push this market higher. Remember, guys, we are consolidating for the last pretty much 3 weeks of February. So that's a good sign. The markets, when they consolidate or pause at the upper end of the range, basically saying that we're going to vacate the area and move higher. So there are a couple of things that look like that's the case. Well, first of all, here's the spiders. We basically, for about 6 trading days, we went sideways, slightly lower on no volume. Markets are moving higher, you could see, and then we had that big push up, which is not even a big push. It's basically a top tick into the close and push the markets higher here. Okay, I'm going to tell you what's actually meaningful is this, the transports. We broke out of this downtrend, this lower low and lower high series, and now we're back up above the line, and we're making now a trek to the high here, this candle. Once we break out here and we take this out, then I think we'll challenge the highs, and that's going to help the markets as well as the transports moving higher. Another thing is going to be the banks and financials. Nice little bull flag here above the 8, the 20, and the 50, and now if we start to move higher as well, then that's going to also solidify the fact that we are probably going to move higher, okay? The weekly chart of the XLF, as you can see here, I want to see this 25 break. I mentioned that to you last week. Weekly of the IWM Russell 2000. Remember, banks and financials, 25% weighted in the Russell, so that's going to also help as well. Take a look at the daily chart. You can see this is also very positive. Although for us traders, there's nothing going on. It's very, very tiresome and boring. This is actually bullish. When the markets do move, I think they're going to move much higher. And you can see how we're just sitting here at the upper end of this range, which is now support from resistance. And again, if this thing starts to push higher, that's going to help solidify the market's move as well. And again, diamond, same thing here. One big push yesterday, Friday into the close rather. And that's pretty much it. And last is going to be the Qs. You see the Qs, I wouldn't buy anything here. This is mostly on Apple. But remember, look at how far away we are. There is always a revision to the mean. Eventually, at one point in time, you're going to be able to buy it. And if you missed this big move here and you waited, you would have got this whole move back again. Okay, so remember, guys, patience is a virtue in this market. When in doubt, stay out. Cash is absolutely a position. Let's manage the trading accordingly. Okay, and see what happens here this week. We should get some movement going into early March, where March and April and May are pretty good months of trading. So hopefully that'll be the case. Have a great day, and we'll speak to you tomorrow. Take care.